Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the daily combo for today. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So you click on where it says daily combo right here on the top here, and then the first card is at where it says special, right? So the special, there was a new card right here, so I bought it, and this is the first card I want you to buy right here. 4.21k profit per hour, only costing 92,000. So this is the first card, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, I'll be leaving the link to my Telegram giveaway channel in the description box, so where I do massive giveaways right now. The link is in the description. Join our Telegram to be able to win our giveaway. Now the second card is Hamster YouTube channel. So you click on it, and then this is the second card for today. And then now the last card right here, guys, the last card right here, let's go, is the Hamster YouTube gold button right here. So you click on it and click on where it says go ahead, and this is the last card for today. As you can see, it says the combo is complete. You are done, you are doing great. So free 5 million coins, take the prize. And as you can see, boom guys, we have successfully claimed our prize. When you scroll up right here, our daily combo has been complete and the coins have been successfully added. So this is what I have for you today, guys. See you in the very next one.